So this is a circle, and they want you to write in standard form. So that means we need to write it in this form. It has to be squared, the y squared, and then the radius squared. So what I'm going to do is anything that has an x, put it together. Anything that has a y, I'm going to put it together, and notice that I added a blank because I know I'm going to have to complete the square twice. And then this negative 11, I'm going to add it to the other side. So I'm going to get my middle term, which is 2, divided by 2 and square. So that's going to be 1. So that's what I'm going to add in this blank. But I also have to add it to the other side. So now I'm going to get negative 4 divided by 2 and square. So that's going to be 4. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So I'm going to factor the x. So two numbers multiplied together, that gives you x squared. Two numbers multiplied together, that gives you 1. Then when you cross multiply, they need to give you 2x. So that's x plus 1 squared. So two numbers multiplied together, that gives you y squared. Two numbers multiplied together, that gives you 4. That when you cross multiply, they need to give you negative 4. And then 11 plus 1 is 12. Plus 4, that would be 16. So there's my equation in standard form. So the second part is asking me to graph it. So in order to graph it, I need to find my center. Remember, we changed the sign since they're in parentheses squared. And my radius is going to be the square root of 16, which is 4. So I'm going to graph negative 1, 2. So there's my center. And then I'm going to do a radius of 4. And there would be my circle.